Here at Aqua Allies, we've created a quick tutorial to help you install the new Logbook app. To install the app, you need an Apple phone and a good internet connection. Press Safari and enter the link you've been sent to download the app, or enter it as it's displayed here on the screen. If you are struggling to locate the link to download, just email the Aqua Allies help desk. You should come to a home page asking you to download the app to your device. At the bottom of your device, press the square with the upward facing arrow to start the download. Scroll to the button that says Add to Home Screen and press it. On the second screen, press Add in the top right hand corner of your screen. You should now see the app displayed on your home screen. Pressing onto the app for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your engineer ID and to choose for yourself a username and password. Enter the 4-digit engineer ID you were given by the Aqua Allies help desk or by your maintenance manager. I would suggest using something easy to remember for your username and password. I use the 4-digit code for all three. Confirm your password at the end. Once you've done this, enter the same details again to log in. This will bring you to the home screen with two options: jobs and time spent. We aren't too worried with the time spent option here, but we are looking for the jobs in your maintenance group. To start, press Sync. This will create another heading, Unscheduled Jobs. Click Unscheduled Jobs and press Refresh. You may also need to press the plus key next to Filter to see the jobs for all of your stores in your maintenance group appear in the Unscheduled Jobs section. Your 4-digit unique ID is tied to your maintenance group, so the app knows what stores and jobs to show you. Scrolling through the stores will show you the store number, store name, and what kind of task is ready to be done.